YouTube, what's up, you guys? How's everyone doing, man? I hope everyone's staying safe out there. Yeah, just wanted to come back at you here with another a little follow-up video here. As you recall, about a month ago or so, I replaced the spark plugs on the Fusion here, 2015 Ford Fusion 2.0 EcoBoost. And so I think in that video I kind of showed you, before I changed the spark plugs, I showed the average mile per gallon, right? And so now that it's been a month or so after I've replaced them, just kind of wanted to get back with you and just kind of show you, how these spark plugs are holding up and what the fuel economy is on this guy. So with that, let's take you in and check it out. So let me put this guy on wide here, a little bit wider, and start it up. All right, so here we are, got the car fired up here. Let's go into our cluster here, and let me dial this guy in. There we go. So as you can see, let's go down to fuel economy, and look at that, 26.8 is what we're averaging. Now obviously, depending on how you drive, if you're like, pedal to the metal and all that stuff, obviously that's going to impact your fuel economy, right, and how you're driving. But I believe, and don't quote me on this, I'll try to put it on the screen, but right now that I'm doing this video, if I recall correctly, I think it was like 24 point maybe 5 or so, right around there. So anyway, it looks like we've gained 2 miles per gallon, which is pretty dang good, man. And again, this is averaging, right? So on the freeway, this is probably getting, even better mileage. As you can see now, I have 93,085 miles on this guy. And it just runs awesome. I really love this car. Those spark plugs that I use, the Denso, if in case your Fusion is also the 2.0 EcoBoost, man, I really recommend those spark plugs. I know spark plugs are a little touchy subject. Everyone likes their own brand and everything, but in case if you're not loyal, so to speak, to any particular brand, I really strongly suggest that you try these out if you have the 2.0. Maybe they make it for the other engines, like the 1.5, I believe, or something like that, so you might want to check that out. But yeah, these Densos, I've used them already. This is the second time, and man, they're awesome spark plugs, man. They make your car like really responsive. Most likely other ones do, but just from experience in using these here, I mean, I can really say that these spark plugs are really, really good, man. I like them. Again, you don't have to use them, but I'm just letting you know how my car drives and feels after using those spark plugs. Again, this is the second time I replaced them. I think it was 45 grand, something like that, 45,000 miles on it the first time I did it, and now I think when I replaced them last time, it was like at 90, maybe 92, maybe something like that. But yeah, so yeah, just wanted to show you what the fuel economy is that we're getting now. 26.8, pretty dang good, man. So yeah, that was it, man. Just a quick video here, let you know what how these spark plugs are holding up. So pretty dang cool, you guys. Yeah, so stay tuned, man. I think I might have another video or so coming up with the Fusion here. Yeah, I can't say enough good things about this car, man. Man, this car is amazing. I really like this car. Soon my daughter's getting her driver's license, so we'll be giving it to her, so I'll be sad to see it go. Oh, man. Anyway, right on, you guys. With that, we'll end it, man. So stay tuned. We got some more videos coming up for the Edge as well. So yeah, a lot of cool stuff coming up for you, man. All right, you guys. So with that, everyone stay safe out there, man. All right. Peace.